In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix a mop bucket with Fabuloso Lemon Cleaner. So Fabuloso is a powerful cleaner. We use this a lot in our business and I actually like the lemon scent. That's my favorite out of all of them. This stuff is very concentrated. So I got this container from Costco, and as you can see, it says that it's 128 fluid ounces, which is 1 gallon. So just to illustrate how powerful this stuff is, I'm holding 1 gallon of Fabuloso, and the instructions say that you should, in a bucket, mix 1/8 of a cup of Fabuloso in 1 gallon of water. So 1/8 of a cup out of a gallon. There are 16 cups in a gallon. So if you multiply 8 by 16, you get 128. So this one jug is capable of making 128 gallons of cleaning solution. That's why this is a really good cost-effective method for cleaning. So I'm going to put about 1 gallon of water in my mop bucket. So I'm gonna guesstimate about 1/8 of a cup inside of here. So that's what I'll do now. That's your first step. I've had cleaners in the past dump this entire thing in the mop bucket instead of, splitting it with 1 gallon of water. So 1/8 of a cup is very small. It's only like that much. This is a construction job, and in this house I had a raccoon crawling everywhere. So I want to make sure I get everything extra clean. So I'm going to do like a double dose. I'm going to put hot water on. So in that example, when I had a cleaner use this entire gallon, just poured it straight into the mop bucket, they didn't realize that this one container can make 128 gallons of solution. So that was a little bit of a learning lesson for them. So once you've got your solution, you're gonna fill it up ideally with hot water. I'm gonna let this run for a minute. I'll turn the camera back on in a second. Okay, I just finished with my water, so now I'm gonna go take this to my mopping location. This is a cool mop bucket because once you get your mop nice and soaked, you're able to put it in this wringer and you just twist and you push down. With the pressure, the plastic, you see how the plastic kind of constricts the mop? It wrings it out so that it's not dripping completely wet. And then I just start my mopping process. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.